Three, two, one. Hold up. That sounds, if you don't know, this is the versus sonic.exe pixelated full week. And this song is called Scare. But if you go to sonic.exe 2.0, uh, credits to community game for this video. But if you go for Faker song, hear it. That means the sonic.exe 2.0 didn't came out early, but the first sonic.exe pixelated came out first. Then the update came out before sonic.exe pixelated. That means they copied this guy, Scare. Also, he copied his sprites. Well, not exactly the sprites, but his idea. Well, it's the same character in Black Sun. It's the same song on Black Sun. It's the same. I mean, the same character on Black Sun. Yeah. That means, well, I guess the Sonic.exe creator actually copied the song, copyrighted actually. So I guess they stole the idea. I don't know who created the first Sonic.exe pixelated mod. Please help me out here. So yeah. Right, this is all I got for the videos. Bye. Like and subscribe, please.